So this is the public garden. It's a pretty cool spot, and it's in Boston. So you guys can come here anytime if you live in Boston. If you don't, travel here. You'll see the cool, pretty flowers. George Washington. If you guys can see, that is George Washington. So it's here. That's George Washington.
Boston Garden.
Surely can you not?
Show him this nice man that when you get back home. Tell him you've been listening to this guy play music to you for years. Since you were a little baby. All right, give him a tip.
Can you hold the camera?
It's just a matter of like if she goes to sleep.
Put the button down. Stop. Put it down. Stop.